G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. There's been a real strong hint of autumn in the air, not just the cooler nights, but also the ballistic southeast winds. One moment it's calm, and the next you've got rain blowing sideways through your veranda. But it's all about to ease. Top temperatures only barely reached the high 20s today, and last night was substantially cooler than average across the Wide Bay Burnett. Humidity may look high as a percentage, but dew points have actually fallen. Let's start with the satellite loop. Now, cloud is sort of evenly scattered across Queensland, but the main focal points today were around Townsville, which had a good dumping, and also the Atherton Tablelands. The Whitsunday Islands had a few decent showers, and also the Gari Eastern Beach. But most of that's going to start to ease over the next 24 hours as the upper atmosphere starts stabilising. Today's chart now, we have a very deep low halfway between New Zealand and New South Wales, and it's cradled by high, and that's bringing up an exceptionally cool and windy gust, or windy conditions, I should say, not only making for strong winds, we've had gales over the weekend, but also for very large swells offshore. On tomorrow's chart, the low quickly weakens and the high basically moves around below it, and that eases the winds considerably. Now, the latest from the BOM. The boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters, south to southeast winds, 15 to 20 knots, but shifting east to southeast in the afternoon, and then a steady southeasterly between 10 and 20 knots on Wednesday, Thursday. Gari offshore waters, south-southeasterlies this time reaching 25 knots in the morning, but easing below 20 in the afternoon. There's a 2.5 metre swell, and it's 15 to 20 knots south-southeasterlies for both Wednesday and Thursday. Low tide first up tomorrow, and the swing to high tide 6 hours later won't be overly dramatic, with the first quarter moon due in less than 24 hours. The Wide Bay Burnett District, a mostly sunny day, just a 30% chance of a shower. Bundaberg 19 tonight, 30 degrees tomorrow, 32 for Gayndah, Hervey Bay and Maribor 29. Looking ahead for Bundy, mostly dry this week with temperatures peaking around Thursday, Friday, but nothing like last week's humidity. A cooler weekend could bring a light shower. What's the exact meaning of wave height and how do we measure it? There's no universal definition, but the most widely accepted method is to size up the front face of the wave and take the average height of the top third in a sample of several waves. It's the height between crest and trough that we're trying to estimate here, not between crest and sea level, which is what a back of the wave measurement would give you. In Hawaii, they often size up the back of the wave, and that does cause a lot of confusion. That's it from me, folks, and now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. And lovely having your company. Hope everything went well with the first day back at school. And we'll catch up tomorrow night. If you missed anything, 7plus or our page, 7news.com.au is where you'll find it. See you tomorrow. Good night.